This is the Hoco EW72 earbuds. I want to connect it to my iPhone. After turning on Bluetooth on my iPhone, the Hoco earbud is not showing up on the iPhone. If the Hoco EW72 earbuds won't connect to the iPhone, let's see how to fix it. First, remove the stickers from the earbuds. Now put the earbuds back in the case. Now turn off your iPhone's Bluetooth and turn it back on. If the earbuds still don't appear on your iPhone, reset the earbuds. This is the reset button for the earbuds. Press and hold the reset button and the earbuds will begin to reset. After resetting the earbuds, the Hoco earbuds device will be visible on the iPhone. Now you can connect the earbuds to your iPhone.